Wastewater, though unsightly, is 99.9% water. Our process is then over 99% effective, removing the remaining 0.1% of pollutants in the water. We don't do anything that you can't find happening in nature along a stream or river. But our process is engineered to be self-cleaning, self-replicating, and fit in a small footprint. The water that you flush first travels through the collection system. The collection system is made up of 13 lift stations and 196 miles of either gravity or pressurized pipelines. That collection system then brings all the city of Kyle wastewater to the headworks, where treatment begins. Current flow rates average 3.6 million gallons per day. The headworks consists of channels that direct the flow of wastewater through mechanical bar screens that remove unwanted inorganic debris such as non-flushable wipes, construction debris, and anything sent down the drain other than urine, feces, or paper. Once screening is complete, submerged pumps pump the water into the next process. That water then goes into the aeration splitter box, the highest structure in terms of elevation within the treatment process. Base at this location determines which plant water goes into. Treatment continues at the aeration basins. These basins have a combined capacity to hold approximately 600,000 gallons of water and are designed and rated to treat up to 1.5 million gallons per day. Within these basins, the solids, also referred to as mixed liquor, are combined with incoming flow from the splitter box. The first zone is not aerated but mixed to assist in biological nutrient removal, specifically phosphorus. Further in this basin, the mixed liquor is aerated to ensure proper oxygen is available for the microorganisms to thrive and consume incoming food. Mixed liquor then exits the aeration basins and goes to the clarifier splitter box before heading to the clarifiers. Mixed liquor leaves the splitter box and enters the clarifier through a center column that flows into a center well, located in the center of the clarifier. The center well slows the flow velocity and allows solids within the mixed liquor to settle to the bottom of the clarifier, leaving behind clear water. Wastewater is also treated at our package plants. These two package plants, each rated to treat 1.5 million gallons per day, are part of the original plant prior to the most recent expansion to 4.5 MGD. Both package plants have undergone extensive improvements, including all new aeration equipment within the aeration basins that surround the exterior. Each of these plants has a clarifier within the center. Once treated, clean water leaves the package plants and flows to the next process of treatment. The tertiary facility is the last stop before water is discharged to either Plum Creek or sent for non-potable water reuse. Once water enters this facility, it is directed into channels that contain intense ultraviolet light for disinfection. Samples are collected daily to ensure proper disinfection. Once water goes through this process, it enters the post-aeration basins, where a constant flow of air is introduced to the water prior to discharging into Plum Creek. Solids that settle in the clarifiers are then pumped into one of 4 aeration digesters. This allows additional time for the solids to break down biologically before the next process. Those solids are then processed using a belt filter press, which uses pressure to squeeze water out of the solids, leaving behind a dry material that is loaded into containers and properly disposed of. We refer to this dry material as cake, which contains approximately 13 to 20% solids. The City of Kyle employs licensed operators that exceed the permit requirements of this facility. Water analysis is conducted daily using both in-house and third-party laboratories to ensure the best possible treatment is taking place. The City of Kyle has also partnered with Plum Creek Watershed Partnership, which includes sampling of our plant's effluent by GBRA. This concludes the tour of your newly expanded wastewater treatment facility. We have a lot of exciting plans for this facility's future that will provide even better treatment and reuse water potential.